Hello photographers, Tom here from Cameras Direct with another product review. Today we're going to have a look at the Nikon AFS DX 55-300 f4.5 to 5.6 ED VR lens. So to start off with folks, this is a DX Nikon lens. Now DX stands for crop censored cameras, so it is designed for your D3000 series, 5000 series, 7000 series cameras, which are all a crop sensor. So basically, when you add the crop factor to give you a 35mm equivalent, this is going to give you around about a 90 to 450mm. So huge zoom range. So to start with, as I say, great zoom range, designed for bringing your subject closer. So if you have a little 18 to 55, which is the standard lens you might have bought with your camera, and you need more reach, you want to photograph the kids playing sport, you want to photograph the birds in the trees, you want to go and photograph a sporting event, then you're going to need a longer zoom. And this is called a telephoto zoom and starts from 55 up to 300. So that's great for bringing subjects closer and compressing perspective as well, which is very handy when you're taking photos of portraits as well. Gives a thinning sort of an effect when you're taking pictures of people, particularly when you're around that 70 to 100 mark, which is ideal for portraits. So, quality-wise, well, it's not an expensive lens and it is classed as a kit lens, but surprisingly, it does give good results. The lens comes with VR, which is vibration reduction from Nikon. That means there is a bank of optics in there on a little gyroscope, which as you move, it moves with you and helps prevent camera shake. That's particularly handy with long lenses like this, when you're shooting in lower light, where your shutter speed may not be as high as you would like, and it prevents you from using a monopod or a tripod a lot of the time. Metal mount and a filter size of around about 58mm, so that's very handy as well. Your manual focus ring here is at the end here. You switch that on and off with your AF on switch there, and that locks it in when you're in A. So again, great lens, comes with a little case and a lens hood. Perfect for all those photographers out there with the small 18 to 55 or even an 18 to 140, and you want a cheaper option with a big telephoto zoom range. This is it, the Nikon AFS 55-300 VR lens from Nikon.